Rando here. Hey, check this out. We got rattlesnakes. All right, it's by Lil Patriot. It says, caution, amidst crackling sparks. Now check these things out. This thing's kind of cool. Look at this. Oh, let me try this. Whoa. All right, let's see what this does here. Let's try to flip it around. All right, we got some TV going on in the background here. Emits crackle and sparks. This should be pretty cool. I'm actually kind of excited about doing this one. So, you know my favorite thing it says on the caution, light fuse and get away. So, we'll do these in just a little bit when the sun goes down. It's only 117 right now. So we'll wait till it gets a little bit cooler. Come back and see Rattlesnakes by Lil Patriot. So BBQ Rando's here with the rattlesnake. So I took one out of the bag. Let's see what happens here. I'm curious about this thing. Whoa! Whoa! That was done. The rattlesnake's head disappeared. Let's try the other one in the bag. Well, these things really blast. You got to step back. Woo! Here we go. Rattlesnake. Any minute. Rattlesnake.